Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the details of the Noise Buds MVP102, a pair of wireless earbuds designed to elevate your audio experience. Let's break down the specs and features to see what makes these buds stand out. Package contains one device, the earbuds themselves, one charging cable, one user manual, one warranty card. Audio, the earbuds feature an impressive 11mm speaker driver, which helps deliver powerful and immersive sound. Connectivity, Bluetooth version. They use Bluetooth VA 5.3, ensuring a stable and efficient connection. Wireless range. You can stay connected up to 10 meters away from your device. Auto pairing. They automatically connect to the last device they were paired with, making them convenient to use. Compatibility. These earbuds work with both Android and iOS devices, so no matter what phone you have, you're covered. Battery and charging. Playtime. You get up to 60 hours of playtime on a single charge, which is fantastic for extended use. Charging time. Recharging the earbuds takes up to 90 minutes. Fast charging. If you're in a rush, the Instacharge feature provides 150 minutes of playtime from just a 10-minute charge. Charging port. They use a C-type charging port, which is known for its fast data transfer and charging speeds. Charging indicator. There's an indicator to let you know when it's time to recharge. Physical specifications. Weight. The earbuds are lightweight at just 40 grams, so they should be comfortable to wear for long periods. Dimensions. They measure 6.3 by 4.7 by 2.8 centimeters, making them compact and portable. Water resistance rating. With an IPX5 rating, these earbuds are resistant to water splashes from any direction, which makes them a good choice for workouts or light rain. Additional features, low latency. They offer low latency of up to 40 milliseconds, which is great for gaming or watching videos without noticeable lag. Hands-free calling. You can take calls without needing to touch your phone, adding convenience during conversations. Voice assistant support. They work with voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, allowing for hands-free control. Dual device pairing. You can connect to two devices simultaneously, making it easy to switch between devices without needing to manually disconnect and reconnect. So, if you're looking for a pair of earbuds that offer great sound quality, long battery life, and a range of useful features, the Noise Buds MVP102 might just be what you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.